Okay, so yesterday we start first HTML practical. We have to firstly write down the HTML format. For HTML, please mute yourself. Structure of HTML. Firstly, you have to be write down. You can use the Notepad++. Remember, students, whenever already we start our class, you don't have to be interrupt me by wishing me a good morning. Exit on the 10:25. I will be start the class. You have to join on the 10:20. You are joining on the 10:25 and wishing me a good morning. That is not good thing. Okay. Then we learn the basic HTML text. Firstly, yesterday we start the first text. First we write down the structure of HTML. Then we start the text. Whenever there is a word is containing between the angular bracket, that is called the text. What are you doing, Kal? Whenever you are simply write a word, that is the opening tag, and whenever you write down the word with the slash, that is called the ending tag. Then we learn the two types of tag. First is the pair tag, second is the unpaired tag. If the tag have a opening and closing, both tag, that is called the pair tag, container tag or non-empty tag. Three names of pair tags. And unpaired tag, if the tag have only the opening tag, not a closing, that is called the empty tag or the unpaired tag. Examples are also given. That first we learn about the heading tag. There are the 6 heading tags are used. Largest tag is the H1 and the smallest is the H6 for the heading of the web page. Then we learn the P tag, paragraph tag, center tag for the make your text on the center of the web page, and the BR tag for the line break. Now today we are going to learn the formatting text. That will be make your web page more attractive. जितना अच्छा आप बना रहे हो उससे भी ज्यादा अच्छा दिखाने के लिए आपको फॉर्मेटिंग टेक्स्ट का यूज करना है. First tag is the B tag, that is used for the bold. For example, whenever you are using OpenOffice Writer or the simple any other text editor, you are pressing Control B for the bold text. You are pressing Control plus U for underline the text, and you are pressing Control I for the italics the text. In place of the shortcut, you have to use here the text. B means bold text, U means the underline the text, and I means italic text. If you want to make your text darker, bold, you have to use the B tag. If you want to make underline below the text, you can use the U tag. And if you want to use the italics the text, means like slant the text, you can use the I tag. Let's see the practical for it. I already opened the Notepad++. Firstly, I am going to create a structure. Please mute yourself. HTML opening, also doing the closing. Then head tag. Heading in the header, you have to be write down the title. The title, write down your title of your web page. For example, I am writing here the formatting text. The title, close the head. Start the body tag, closing the body. Now saving it, Control S. Firstly, I will be select the hypertext markup language and select your location where you want to be save it. Write down the name practical. and I saved it. So it will be our HTML file. Then I'm going to save as, now it's saved, and you can see the extension here also. Now you have to start the body part. Firstly, I am taking out heading H2. Choice is your which heading you want to be used for your web page. Heading I am writing here the formatting tag and closing the H2 here. Saved it and run it in the browser. You can see here this is the heading and name will be displayed the formatting text title. Whatever you are writing, save your file, that will be displayed here. Now I want to be take it centered. So what should you have to be used? You have to use here the center. But remember, first open, last closed. मतलब first H2 open हुआ है तो उसको last हम close करेंगे. Last open, first close. Center will open lastly, but you have to close it first. If you are not doing that, it will be not show the proper output to you. F5, it will be came on the center. Now, first formatting tag is the bold. I am writing here a one paragraph. This is a bold tag. This is used to bold the text. First, I want to show the what will be the output, and whenever I am using B, how it will be displayed. Simply, मैंने P लिखा, it will be displayed like this. Now, in place of P, I am using here a B. Control S.
Actually, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we can add anything like pictures and videos.
That you have to learn later. First, focus on the starting base. यही नहीं आएगा तो इमेज कैसे इंसर्ट करोगे, वीडियो कैसे इंसर्ट करोगे. इमेज भी आएगा, but you have to wait for it. Okay, so I'm pressing here. You can see first output. Now pressing F5 or refresh button, so it will be more darker, right? Now this is the B tag. I'm using here a one BR tag for the second line, and now I'm using italics. Second tag, sorry, underline. U tag. Closing the Q. In place of bold, I am writing here underline. Saved it. Go to back and refresh. You can see the difference. Putting 2 BR, so output will be clear to you. Yes. What? What you have to create? Yes, for the practice purpose, you have to create it now. Not now. You have to first see the practical, then you have to do it by yourself. That's why I'm sending in the group. Yesterday, I also sent it in the group. If you are stopped sometimes, so you can see the practical. Okay, this is the underline. Now taking 2 more BR for the break the rule for the entering purpose. Last tag is the I tag. For the italics, the text. Close the I. Putting also the 2 BR because I want to add more things. Here I am writing the italics. Save it. Go back, press F5, and you can see the output. How can these 3 are differ from each other? You can see it. This is the bold one, this is the underlined one, and this is the italics one. Now, remember student, it's not necessary that you are using this text separately. You can use them with each other. जैसे आप bold और underline को एक साथ use करना चाहते हैं, you can use them. Choice is yours. आप use कर सकते हो. For example,
मैम दोनों को एक साथ कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं?
मैं वही दिखा रही हूँ. Control B. You are using here a B, right? Now I want to send.
So ma'am, can we use the 3?
Listen me first. For example, you want to use bold and underline together. So what should you have to do? You have to put also U tag, but you have to be close it before the B. आप पहले B लिख रहे हो तो उसको लास्ट में क्लोज करोगे. First open, last close. Remember this word. First open, last close. क्योंकि क्या होता है जब एग्जाम के टाइम पे आप प्रैक्टिकल लिखते हो, that time this mistake will be happen. You are opening it first and firstly closed. Don't do that. First open, last close. Last open, first close. So firstly, you open the B, so it will be closed last. And secondly, you open the U tag, so you have to be firstly closed. And saved it. Back and press F5. So you can see bold and underline with together. Same, you can take the underline and the
Ma'am, can we take the bold, underline, and italic?
yes, I'm going to show that practical. Please wait. So you have to be take, for example, if you want to take the underline and italics together, so you can take it like this. So if you have to close it here, I also, sorry, using Control S, Control S, F5, in place of bold italics. Same thing, you can take for the listen me first, complete me first, then if you have a query, then ask me. Then I want to take B and I together, so I will be take it, B and I bold italics. You can change the order, आप पहले भी I लिख के बाद में भी B लिख सकते हो. It's not necessary that you have to write down the first B. Choice is yours, whatever which can you want to be used first. I closed, saved it, F5, bold and, sorry, yes, italics and underline will be there. Okay, I'm using the 3 text here. Yes, it's a bold and italics only. Underline is there. Okay. Now, if you want to use this 3 together, आप तीनों को साथ में यूज करना चाहते हो तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? You can write down the 3. For example, B you have to be write down, you have to be write down, and I also you have to be write down. Now remember which one will be closed first. First open, last close. Last open, first close. Last हमने open किया I, so it will be closed first. I will be closed first. Then second you open the U, so we have to close the U second. And last we open the B. Sorry, first we open the B, so we have to close it last. Now saved it. Have fun. How to do that? So this is called the formatting text that is used to attractive your web page. For example, whenever you want to be focused on the sum of the word, then you can use the bold tag because it's a darker, and everyone viewer can view it directly, right? So that's why we are using here a B tag. Sorry, this formatting text. Some mistakes. Okay, now saved it. Remember students, whenever you are writing something, whenever you are typing the HTML code, output will be depend on the browser, how it will be look. Sometimes some browsers are not supported to the HTML. So it will be not displayed correctly or properly. Mostly that will be happen on the color. Whenever you are adding the color, you can see the difference between the browsers. आप क्रोम में देखोगे तो कलर शेडिंग थोड़ा लाइट डार्क होगा. आप दूसरे ब्राउजर में जैसे कि इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर है, फायरफॉक्स है, उसमें आप ओपन करोगे तो उसमें भी थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस आपको मिलेगा. So output will be always depend on the browser. If browser is supported that tag, it will be show the perfect output with you. Now next tag, subscript and the superscript. What is the meaning of superscript and subscript? Have you seen this type of formula in the mathematics?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now. So for example, you want to make the text enclosed inside it appear as subscript. If it is on upper of the text, it is called the superscript. Sorry. It is, if it is upper on the text, it's a superscript, and if it's down of the script or the down of the text, that is called the subscript. Remember the difference. दोनों में बहुत कंफ्यूजन होता है, इसलिए एग्जाम में इसका एक क्वेश्चन आता ही है. What is the difference between the super and the subscript? Or it will be asked that to write down the code for this output. Output आपको दिया होगा और आपको पूछेगा कि इसका output क्या, input क्या है. What is the code? If the word or the text is upper the text, that is the superscript, and if it is a down of the word, that is the subscript. Let's see. Okay. I'm changing the heading. Super and subscript. Okay. Now, firstly, I want to show you one formula. In a bracket, a plus b square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. For that purpose, you have to use the superscript. How can you write down the superscript? Firstly, write down the text. I am writing here in a bracket a plus b. I am writing it. Now I want to square above the bracket. So what should you have to do? For that, you have to use the superscript. So write down the tag SUP. SUP 2. A plus b square I need. Right? Close the superscript SUP. First, let's see the output, so you will be understood it. F5, you can see here a plus b square. What will be happen? My underline is there for everything. This one. Then refresh, so you can see the output. A plus b square. Now, what I want equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula of mathematics, equals to. Now I need a square. So simply you have to first write down the a. Now SUP superscript 2. This will be made the square. A square. Control S. F5. You can say A plus B whole square equals to A square. Now plus 2AB plus, this is the mathematic formula. अगर नहीं पता है तो for your information, for the practical I want to show it. B SUP 2. The SUP, control S.
मैम
F5.
क्या?
मैम ये सब की जगह पे हम दूसरा कोई सम भी ले सकते हैं ना?
हाँ, कोई भी एग्जांपल ले सकते हो. मैंने तो सिर्फ ये दिखाया. You can use also for the cube. A plus
Okay,
B cube equals to A cube plus B cube plus 3AB. Sorry, plus 3A square B plus 3AB square. This is also one another formula for, you can use the superscript. Right? This is the way how can you, if you want to be show the mathematical formula, you can use the super and the subscript.
Understood.
Yes?
Ma'am, if I am creating a HTML, so ma'am, it is opening in my Internet Explorer, ma'am.
That is okay. You can use any browser.
Okay, ma'am.
Now this is the superscript. I'm going to make a subscript. What is the subscript? If you want to take a word down of the text, then you can use the subscript. I am using x1 plus x2 plus x3 equals to 27. For example, I am taking. So first I am writing the x1. For 1, we have to be use here the subscript.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम यहाँ पर मैम आपने x क्यों लिखा?
For example.
Okay, ma'am.
Only for example. मैंने एग्जाम्पल बोला पहले x1 equal plus x2 plus x3 equals to 27. I want to display that. So I am using the subscript for that purpose. x1 plus x2 plus x3 equals to 27. Saved it and show you the output F5. You can see here it will become like this. x1 is there. Now plus x2. Then write down the subscript 2. Close the subscript. Saved it. Output will be that. Next. Plus x3. So again I am using the subscript 3. Close the subscript. Equals to 27 I need. Control S, F5 you can say. x1 plus x2 plus x3 equals to 27. One more thing I want to tell you, if you are thinking that not, that is okay. You can use the text also in place of the numbers. Plus x in place of 1, 2, 3, I want to use the n. Subscript and close the subscript. Same for the superscript. You can use the text also, characters also. 5, you can see the output. x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus xn equals to 27. This is the way how can you create your formulas of mathematics using the
Excuse me,
text.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, how can we download the Notepad plus?
Simply write down in the browser Notepad++ download.
Okay, ma'am. It's available on browser. Ma'am, I have already downloaded.
Yes. I'm changing the heading. Change it at the down also. Right here. I'm using the another tag H2. H2. Yeah. Okay, next, last tag is the comment tag. What is the meaning of comment?
Ma'am, I got it, but ma'am, there is no option that download button is not there.
Krish, you can message me.
Krish, write notepad plus download, then
As I say, Krish will be messaging. Okay, what is the meaning of comment? Whenever you are writing your codes and you don't want to display some of the text, that is only for the users understanding text, that time you have to use the comment tag. What is the comment? Comments are the codes that are not executed by the browser. It will be taken by the not paid but not displayed on the browser. Therefore, they are not shown in the web page. They can be used to add personal notes or description in the HTML document. For example, H1, it's our largest heading. H6 is the smallest heading. Here will become the smallest one. What is the symbol? In the tag angular bracket, you have to be write down exclamation mark, then a line, 2 lines, and on the closing time you have to again write down the 2 lines. This is the symbol syntax of a comment tag. I will be show you the output. It will be came on the green color whenever you are writing it. So this is, I am writing here exclamation mark, then 2 lines. You can see all are converted in the green color, because whenever you don't use it, it will be all the text will be contained as a comment. This is bold and italics. Okay. Now you have to close it. 1, 2, and closed. Again, all will be came on the same previous position, and only that sentence will be came on the green color. So this is called the comment. Now, where it will be we are writing, this is used to bold italics tag. हमने यहाँ पे लिखा है, and this is the, as it's a comment, it will be not displayed on your browser. वो आपके browser में नहीं दिखना चाहिए. Let's see it. It will be displayed or not. Means a 5th line we are writing. On the 5th line, we are writing this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This one line. इसके बाद में text आना चाहिए. I am refreshing it. You can see it will be not changed as it's a comment. For example, you write it for the next one also. Mute yourself first. This is the bold and italics. Okay, here I'm using the same one. Control S, F5, and it's not changed. You can see here. इसके पास में भी कोई भी नहीं आया. Means that is only for the user purpose, for the creator purpose. Who wants to understand why I'm using this tag here? For that purpose, you can use the comment. So today we are learning the 3 things. First, formatting text, bold, italic, underline. Then superscript, subscript, and last we learn about the comment text. Now, anyone have a query regarding these 3 tags?
Ma'am.